good.
Whoopsie, they're excited.
Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to my Cobra at Goodwood. I'm currently at Retro Rise, which is a fantastic event, but we're actually heading to Horsham for an evening meet in the Cobra and then probably up to Cobham services. I don't know what the evening's going to offer, so let's get in the car and find out. So goodbye Goodwood and hello road. Someone's done a send. And when one is at Goodwood, one must always check the kennels. I think we are just coming up to it now. I have no idea what the turnout will be. It's a blue GTR, beautiful blue GTR. So it has happened, here we are. I have parked up, of course, next to the 3 Toyota Chasers that have turned up. Because everyone, including myself, loves a white Chaser. I mean, black ones are cool too. He's got a white bumper. The pop and bang cars have made their appearance, A45. And then behind me, we've got a Nissan GTR, which apparently has 1,200 brake horsepower. But there we go, the tiny little Cobra next to the boosted barges that are the Toyota Chasers. There are a few arrivals. There's the M2 that we saw on the way down. I didn't film it, but there it is. There's an S2000, a Jaguar XKR, a Porsche 991 Gen 2 Turbo S. That's quite quick. So after a long day at Goodwood, I'm now sat on a bench capturing the arrivals. There's a white GTR. The second R35 GTR of the meet so far. And with this S2000, we've got another arrival, a very wide-body Honda S2000. Let's get my shadow out of the way. There it is. I was looking forward to seeing this. The arch is almost like a foot in width. It's crazy. But unfortunately, he's never loved. What do you think? Let me know. The Honda's like, what on earth is going on? Oh, okay. We're getting donuts. Oh, he's off. Oh, the MX-5 has spun out. He's just doing donuts now. That's cheating. You got a roundabout there, use it. The bus is going to get slightly annoyed. He's looking, he knows. He's not going to stop for anyone. Oh! I think he's just painting lines in the tarmac. He's creating art with the burnt rubber. From what I can hear, the M2 is coming from behind me. The tyres might start overheating soon, so... That's how the MX-5 started. They've got to remember the M2's got slightly more power than an MX-5. Well, the Kia can now enter. Oh, there is a white Chaser. No, we're safe with that one. That's fine, this isn't needed. Police have got their drones in the air, capturing the content for the gram. New arrivals. So we will be leaving to go to Cobham services and meeting a few more cars in about half an hour. But it seems cars are leaving early. We've got some GTRs leaving from what I can hear. So I'll capture the departures and then we shall make our merry way down to Cobham services. He's going up to the Shell to get some fuel. Did you hear VTEC kicking? Because I did. Oh, there's a 4-door R34 just pulled in with the Subaru and a midnight purple Chaser. That's a JZX90 Toyota Chaser. Swarm the old girl up, eh? It's a scramble. Oh no. Ah, dust. I'm in a white Chaser sandwich, left and right. I'm gonna go have a look. there's another one.
So here we are with the two chasers trying to find a space. We have been the chaser today. Of course, I've got next to the Corvette, kind of American duo.
I need a spacer for my chaser.
I think the police have just kind of moved on, so all was good. Chasers are here. Everything is well in life. Oh, look at these two. They're not soldiers. Well, what do you know? We have another white chaser has just turned up. So for proof, we've got one white chaser, two white chasers, and three white Toyota chasers, and then obviously a fourth black one with a white bumper, and another police car. I think spirits are high, the weather's nice, smiles all round. Literally, this low sun, even when shooting into the sun, makes all the cars look incredible. That's another, oh okay, there's another chaser. We've got two black ones and three white chasers. We've got 5 Toyota chasers here today, not including the JZX90 chaser behind the police car. So that is 6 Toyota chasers that are here today at the meet. Apparently there's a huge convoy of lorries coming in. They're all very horny. Look at them all. They're all beeping their horns. This is the content we want. Sorry, BMW. Have we won the Premier League or something? I'm not into football. Look. Why are they beeping? What have we... What, oh, okay, climb onto the motorway. Everyone's flocking now. Who cares about the car meet? We want the lorries. What are they celebrating? Wow, it's a lorry show. They're going to come through that tunnel there. Oh, there they are. There they are. There's the first one. Oh no, they're doing laps of the roundabout. They're not sending it, obviously, because they're massive.
I've never run for a lorry convoy before. As well, they're coming in.
What on earth is all of this? This is chaos. I don't get it. What's going on? Why is he doing a wheelie? And then it's fine. I don't get it. He doesn't know. Random. It's like they're doing rear wheelies. I'm gonna set this rock. Why are they waving? Why are they here? Renault, what? Why? There's a recovery vehicle. They're over there, they're leaving again. Should we get lorries leaving a lorry show? Should we do it? Hello mate, you've messed up there. Oh, you're gonna have to back it up. They're literally circling around Cobham services. There's lorries still on the M25 coming in. People have stood awaiting these lorries. People knew it was happening. When we came into Cobham services, we saw this group of people. They're loving it, look! What is this all about? Hello! Hello there! Oh look, it's AC! The middle finger was shown, how very rude.
I don't know. Is this how the general public see car meets? Is this how confused the general public get when they see car meets here? Wow, there's so many more coming in.
They're coming in, they're circling around the fuel station, and then they're leaving, going the other way. So they came from one direction, they're going another direction. Check this one out.
This is the best thing in the world.
What the hell is that?
What the hell is this?
How's it going? Yeah, he's very confused. It's Nessa. And there's Jonty. McLaren, they love it. This is the most random thing ever. It's Bungle. He's called Bungle. He's called Steve. The confused McLaren is making a move. He just wanted fuel. They're back again! Lobes. Hello, Lobes. It's Chris. It's Chris. There's the Dongo Hugh. No, Donald Hugh. Oh, that's not as exciting. Oh, Jonty's back. Hello, Jonty. John F. Lavelle. Oh, right, we've got a green R32. So, it's revving. We're getting diesel revs from the lorry. I'm going to go film this green R32 that's just made an appearance. Let's see if the lorry fans pay any attention to the 32. Yeah, thumbs up in the cords. They love it.
Oh my
watched your video earlier!
He watched my video earlier. Very good. There we go. A green R32. Sparkly green as well. 4-door. Once upon a time I was falling in love. It looked like Bonnie Tyler in the passenger seat of that one. Right, is that it? There's the dog section van and an Integra Type R. Some blue halos on a BMW, Civics waving. There go the little woofers. There's Bonnie. Bonnie's back. Police are circulating. Imagine if it was like modified cars doing that, what would they say? Oh, thumbs up in the 1 Series. Oh, it's B300 Adam C. There we go, graphics on the side of the Audi. Some asymmetrical shapes. They are very excited. Oi, oi! Here we have the convoy of Nick Pelosi Mercedes lorry cabs. Nice graphite grey, almost like an R32 GTR colour that, isn't it? You could do like a jump up there, like GTA style, couldn't you? Fiestas can join in. I might have to leave it there for the lorries because I don't know when that's going to end. I don't know, there could be hundreds more. He's got the double horn. He's got the double horn today. Oh, we've got some vintage ones next. We've got the old Ford. That's cool. The Bedfords. Oh, look at that. That's smoking. And the old Bedford over there. That's like a 1980s or 70s. Yay! It isn't going to end, is it? Someone's dropped their balloon. Oh no. See? Oh, the balloon's going to get popped. Oh no. Oh, come to me. Come to me. Oh, it's flying away in the sunset. Are they speaking in Morse codes tonight? Maybe. It's like an almost chrome green. Oh, it's sparkly on the Focus. That's a bit like the R32 colour. There's a 350Z. Wow, that's a beefy sounding cab. They're all really spotless as well. They've cleaned themselves for this drive. Another Z. Oh my god, there's even more. Here's somebody's control on. They're waving. There's 5 of them in there. What is this? Car park there, mate. What the hell is that? Is he wolf whistling at me? It's the Joker! It's the Joker! Adrian! Adrian! They're all at the S! So, look, they're numbered, so are there actually more than 270 of them? Wow! It's Mr. Brown! Ah! It's Adam! Yes! Adam! He's an annoyed Adam. What's that say? Foden? That's very cool. Escorts? It's not an escort, it's a transit. It's chaos.
It's a shutdown.
It's a shutdown.
So, we have a bit of clearance. There's over 500 lorries, and it's a charity cruise that they're doing. 500 of them. So, we're not going to film them all, because that's not really the kind of videos that I tend to film, but that was the craziest thing that I have filmed in a long time. You can probably tell I'm knackered. My throat hurts from shouting. I thought I'd go down to a nice meet, take the Cobra down to Horsham, convoy up to Cobham services, maybe see a few more cars. A few more cars did turn up. And then 500 lorries that are all still on the M25. A lot of them, probably half of them are still to come. So I'm going to chuck my water in the car, and apparently a lot of these cars are going off to another location which I won't be heading to, so I might capture them leaving, as you like. Oh, look at the sun! Look at the sun! Oh, look at that, 2 of the chasers are parked next to each other. Oh, we've got the 3rd one over there. Oh my days! Oh my god, there's actually a lorry carrying a little lorry. The lorry on the back's quite small as a result of the almost like Russian doll effect, but that is a lorry carrying a lorry on the back of its lorriness. Oh wow, we've got the American big rigs. We don't get these ones in this country, the big bonnet out the front. Yes! I love that one. Look at that!
it! I got the words right. Well done to Adam C. Rolling. Oh, 997 GT3. Oh look, he's got a Mark 1 Escort on his bonnet and his tractor. He loves it. That's got like a fake cab. Has he got a sleeper on the back of his van? Yeah, that went on for quite a time. Yeah, they're still on the M25, all coming in. Well, the car looks good. The Corvette's gone, unfortunately. Oh, the exhaust fell off doing some pops. Whoopsie. This is the most unique evening that I have had in a long time. So I think all of the lorries have now left. So it's just a car meet now. It's what we like. Cars might be leaving soon. There's some pops and bangs. And the 3 white chasers have now parked up next to each other. Oh, and the middle one has neons. We've got Everyone Loves the White Chaser and Bring Neons Back. It's a 2-in-1. Oh, someone did a launch. There you go, purple neons on the Chaser. It's a bit of me. Whilst they all are white chasers, they're actually different shades. We've got more of a clear white with the amber indicators, and then more of a pearl, slightly yellower white on the one that's trying to pull out. He's off. They're off. Right, we've got cars revving. There's the R32, looking really nice. Oh, they're excited. He's missing the bumper's fallen off, mate. They are leaving the meet, so should we capture them leaving? Honestly, what an event this has been. From starting in Horsham with not too many cars, just a few chasers, and now look at it. Yes. There's the loud sound. Tell you what, this is a lot calmer than the lorries coming in. Chrome purple. That's not an S14. Oh, we got sideways. I'm a little bored of horns. He was getting the racing line. Oh, supercharger wine, MX-5. Yeah, got the MG with the fake BBSs, love it. They told me they were fake. Oh. It's a satin red F-Type. Oh, another chaser. The Subaru's sneezing. I did not see the Manara in there. I was probably too busy checking out lorries. La 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 la. Noisy. So we are now back once again at the car after one of the craziest nights of my life. We got the JZX90 Chaser leaving now. Should sound good. But that was the Midnight Club UK meet from Horsham to Cobham services with a charity lorry drive for the Royal Air Ambulance. I reckon there was about 300 lorries, not the 500 that I was told, but maybe about 500 lorries turning up, honking their horns, and just causing a scene. So I hope you enjoy that video. Something very different to normal. Go follow me on Instagram for all the updates and highlights about these things that I do. But for now, thanks for watching.